everybody, this is Nilanjana ma'am and I welcome you all to my grammar class this time. Let's do a basic topic of grammar, and that is voice change. So let's get started. So today you can see that we will be doing voice for the beginners. Now the voice of a verb can be of two types. It can be either in active voice or it can be in a passive voice. So in an active voice, the subject himself or herself is the doer. The subject himself does an action. So you can say that the subject is in active voice. The subject plays an active role. Here you see passive, meaning the subject is not active. The subject is rather acted upon, meaning the subject, it seems that the subject is not doing the action himself or herself. It is as if the verb is acted upon, the action is acted upon the subject. Now let's begin with an example. The boy kicks a ball. Here the subject, the boy, kicks something. What does he kick? So when you ask the question what to the verb kicks, you get the answer a ball. The boy kicks. What does he kick? Kicks what? He kicks a ball. So the ball is the object. Here the subject is the doer of an action. The subject himself kicks the ball. In a passive voice sentence, you find that it seems that the object is doing some kind of an action, or it's as if the action is being done by the subject. Here the subject is not playing an active role. So a ball is kicked by the ball. It's not that the boy kicks the ball, but rather it begins with the object. The ball is kicked by the ball. Let's move on to another example. Let's get started. He saw a snake. The subject is he. He saw what? He saw a snake. So a snake is the object. She broke the flower vase. She broke something. She, the subject she, has done an action. She broke. What did she break? She broke the flower vase. So the flower vase is the object of the verb broke. I was reading a book. The subject I is doing, and the subject I here is doing an action. I was reading. Reading what? A book. So a book is the object of the verb was reading. So these are all sentences in active voice. Now let's move on to the passive voice. A snake was seen by him. The sentence begins with the object, then the be verb, am, is, was, are, were, then the past participle of the main verb saw, then the preposition by, and then the subject him. A snake was seen by him. So again you see the formula. It's like a formula. See, the sentence passive voice will begin with object, then the be verb, then the past participle form or the verb's third form of the main verb, then you have the preposition by, and then you have the subject him. The next one, the flower vase was broken by her. Object, be verb, past participle of the main verb, by, and the subject. So the flower vase was broken by him.